So I currently feel like Facebook is the most slept on app, and honestly, I don't think I'm the only person that feels that way.
Facebook Reels right now is out of control.
I'm not sure why people are not on Facebook creating content. Maybe it's because majority of everyone's Facebook followers are friends and family. Maybe that could be the reason why people are not on Facebook as much. I do know if you are a person who is looking to grow a following, who's looking to grow a audience, that when you create content, you're creating content for the new people that are going to come onto your page. So here's exactly how I grow 1,300 new Facebook followers per week, sometimes even more than that. Currently, there are two different ways to post Facebook Reels. You can post Facebook Reels using trending sounds to get viral content, to get viral videos. Then you have another way where you can post if you have ads enabled on your Facebook, if you're able to get monetization. So if you're posting to make money, to be monetized, then you are going to want to use original sounds. But the thing is, original sounds are not going to go viral. They're not going to trend because you're not using trending sounds. So you have to choose whether you want to post videos using trending sounds and get viral content, or if you want to post original audio videos and just reach the people that already follow you. Which one would you choose? If your answer was both, then you are completely right, because that's exactly what I'm doing. When I post on Facebook, I alternate. So some videos I post using trending sounds, which I know is going to bring traffic to my page. And then some videos I post using original audio, which is like me doing a voiceover or me talking, or some type of non-copyright music that I use on a video, where I'm able to make money from that, because you can't make money from videos when you're using Facebook's music. So in order to get viral content on Facebook, you have to post Reels using trending sound. On top of using trending sounds, you want to make sure that your content is very captivating and it grabs your viewers' attention. So that's like me. I create nothing but pink aesthetic content, which is going to be appealing to women, to pink lovers. This is how I get lots of traffic on my page, because my content is always appealing to women. It's always pretty. It's always showcasing some type of product, and just the women seeing that product makes them want it. Makes them want to follow me because they like my content. They like to watch my content. So on top of posting Reels, you also want to make sure you're using Facebook's other posting features, such as regular posts like text. I like to post educational and motivational quotes. I also like to post informational content, helping people to grow on social media or helping people to start businesses. Anything that is informational, I will share with my followers, because again, my sole purpose is to actually help you guys grow. So you want to post text posts, and you also want to post photographs. So this is going to be you engaging with your followers and giving them different types of content. In return, is going to keep your page very engaging, which Facebook is going to reward, and they're going to show more people your page, because you're obviously a person of interest. If you have thousands of people going on your page and liking your posts and commenting and engaging and saving and sharing, this is all engagement, and Facebook sees this as you're a person of interest. So as you guys can see by this video, there isn't some type of secret code or like a shortcut pathway to growing on Facebook. You just have to be consistent, but you also have to be consistent in doing the right things. Like, you can be consistent and do something that isn't going to be beneficial, or something that's not going to push you along further. You can be consistent at doing the wrong thing and never grow. But if you are consistent at doing the right thing, then your page is definitely going to grow. So there you guys go. Watching this video will literally direct you in the right path of growing on Facebook. If your page is not growing, then it's something that you're not doing right. Once you go ahead and tweak that and you figure out what it is, then your page is definitely going to grow. If you guys want a video of me going over things that you shouldn't be doing on Facebook, let me know in the comments, because there are a lot of things that I see people doing on Facebook that is not going to help towards their growth, like posting vertical video, like posting videos in landscape and having the black frame around their video. Facebook does not like that. People don't like that. It's seen as low quality content. That's why when you film for Facebook or Instagram or TikTok, it's always in a portrait mode, like straight up. It's not vertical. This is for if you're filming a full YouTube video like this one. So you should never do that, you guys. But like I said, if you guys want a full video on things you should not do when posting on Facebook, let me know and I'll be happy to make that video for you guys. So there you guys have it, my guide to growing your Facebook page in 2023. So as you guys know, these platforms always change. So every few months is going to be something different. They're going to add something new, and then this way is going to change. So you have to adapt according to the platform and the way it updates. There you guys have it. Use trending sounds, post captivating content, use relevant hashtags to the video that you're posting. Don't use random clickbait hashtags. You also want to be posting text posts, also want to be posting photos, and you also want to have really good engagement. Engagement counts as you also engaging on your followers' posts, you guys. Facebook wants to see that you guys are active, and they also want to see that you're a person of interest. All of these things equal a plan for growth on Facebook. So that's gonna be it for today's video. I'll catch you guys in next week's video. Make sure you guys are subscribed to this channel if you aren't already. I promise you will love it here. I give lots of free information. I never try to sell you guys on anything here because on YouTube, I just want everything to be free and easy for you guys to access so that everybody could grow. Like there's enough room for everybody to grow. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Peace and much love. Bye guys.